messy eyebrows in an image. I will show you how to fix that with PhotoDirector. Open the app, click on More, then choose Makeup. Find your image, although not too messy eyebrows here, but it's okay. Click on Eyebrows and you can choose from different types. Choose one that you like the best. I will go with straight, maybe a peak. You can even adjust the color. I will go with this one. And if you are satisfied, you can click on the check mark. It's perfect in our photo. And that's it. Click on the check mark again and download your image. Have a nice day.